Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE Academic and PTE Core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. Space exploration, while often seen as distant and costly, has had a profound effect on our daily lives. Many everyday technologies, such as GPS navigation, weather forecasting, and satellite communications, have emerged directly from research in space programs. Moreover, medical devices like portable X-ray machines and even water purification systems trace their origins to space research. The pursuit of understanding the universe also promotes international collaboration and inspires younger generations to pursue science and engineering. Critics argue that resources spent on space could be better used on Earth, but it's important to recognize that the spin-off benefits far outweigh the costs. Thus, space exploration not only pushes human boundaries, but also enriches life on Earth in countless ways. The lecture highlighted that space exploration has given us practical technologies like GPS, satellites, weather forecasts, medical devices, and clean water systems. It also inspires global cooperation and motivates students to enter science fields. While some say money should be spent on Earth, the lecturer emphasized that benefits of space research, such as innovation and better living standards, far outweigh costs. The global shift toward renewable energy marks one of the most significant transitions in human history. Unlike fossil fuels, renewable sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower are sustainable and environmentally friendly. The cost of solar panels has decreased drastically, making them accessible for households and businesses. Similarly, wind farms are providing large-scale clean power, especially in coastal and open land regions. Governments are offering incentives and subsidies to encourage this change. Importantly, renewable energy reduces dependence on imported fuels, creates jobs, and plays a central role in combating climate change. However, challenges remain, such as energy storage and infrastructure adaptation. Despite these, the growth of renewable energy signals a cleaner and more secure future for generations ahead. The speaker explained that renewable energy like solar, wind, and hydro is replacing fossil fuels. Costs have dropped, making it accessible, and governments support it with subsidies. It creates jobs, reduces fuel imports, and fights climate change. Although storage and infrastructure issues exist, renewables represent a sustainable and secure future. Festivals are more than just occasions for entertainment. They are vital expressions of culture, identity, and unity. Whether it is Diwali in India, Christmas in Europe, or the Lunar New Year in Asia, festivals bring people together, bridging gaps across generations and social groups. They preserve traditions, transmit values, and create a sense of belonging. Economically, festivals generate revenue through tourism, handicrafts, and hospitality industries. Psychologically, they provide relief from routine and enhance social bonding. In modern times, however, commercialization sometimes overshadows their cultural significance. To preserve their true essence, it is important to balance tradition with modern celebrations. Ultimately, festivals serve as powerful reminders of heritage and shared humanity. The lecturer emphasized that festivals like Diwali, Christmas, and Lunar New Year preserve culture, values, and unity. They support tourism and economy while offering social and psychological benefits. Although commercialization is rising, people must keep traditions alive. Festivals remain essential for identity and togetherness. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing healthcare in ways that were once unimaginable. From early disease detection through imaging analysis to personalized treatment plans, AI is increasing both accuracy and efficiency. AI in healthcare uses machine learning, natural language processing, and other AI technologies to improve patient outcomes and operational efficiency by enhancing diagnoses, personalizing treatments, assisting with drug discovery, and automating administrative tasks. For example, AI can analyze thousands of scans in seconds, identifying patterns that humans may overlook. It also powers virtual assistants that help patients monitor health and medication schedules. Moreover, predictive algorithms are being used to forecast disease outbreaks, allowing governments to prepare in advance. However, ethical concerns such as patient privacy, bias in data, and dependence on machines remain. Still, AI promises to make healthcare more accessible, affordable, and effective in the near future. The lecture explained that AI improves healthcare through early diagnosis, personalized treatments, and virtual assistance for patients. It also predicts disease outbreaks. While privacy and ethical issues exist, AI offers efficiency, accessibility, and affordability, making it a key tool in the future of medicine. Emotional intelligence, often abbreviated as EQ, is increasingly recognized as crucial for success, not just IQ. It involves understanding one's own emotions, managing them, and empathizing with others. Studies show that people with high EQ perform better in leadership roles, teamwork, and customer relations. Unlike technical skills, emotional intelligence influences how we handle stress, resolve conflicts, and motivate ourselves. For students and professionals, developing EQ can lead to improved communication and stronger relationships. Importantly, emotional intelligence can be cultivated through mindfulness, active listening, and reflection. Therefore, in both personal and professional life, EQ serves as a foundation for resilience and growth. The speaker described emotional intelligence as managing one's emotions and understanding others. It improves leadership, teamwork, and conflict resolution. Unlike IQ, EQ is about communication, empathy, and motivation. It can be developed through mindfulness and reflection, making it vital for success. If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.